Old M Aadhaar app shutting down soon. The Aadhaar card has evolved far beyond being a simple identity document kept inside a wallet. Today, it has become one of the India's most important digital identity documents used for everything from opening bank accounts and purchasing SIM cards to school admissions and property transactions. With millions of Indians using Aadhaar services digitally, the government has announced a major change that every Aadhaar user should know. The old M Aadhaar app is being discontinued, and users are being encouraged to move to the newly launched Aadhaar app. Is the old M Aadhaar app shutting down? Yes. The Unique Identification Authority of India (UIDAI) has confirmed that the old M Aadhaar app will be phased out and users should migrate to the new Aadhaar app for continued access to Aadhaar-related digital services. According to UIDAI, the transition is aimed at improving security, privacy, and user experience. Why is UIDAI replacing the old app? The old M Aadhaar app had certain limitations that became more visible as digital identity services expanded across India. One of the major concerns was that identity verification could expose more Aadhaar information than necessary, increasing privacy risks. The new Aadhaar app has been designed to provide better security controls, improved privacy protection, faster authentication, more convenient digital services, greater control over Aadhaar information. What is the name of the new Aadhaar app? The replacement app is officially called Aadhaar app. It is available for download on Google Play Store, Apple App Store. Users are advised to install only the official application and avoid third-party sources. When was the new Aadhaar app launched? UIDAI introduced the new Aadhaar app in January 2026 to make India's digital identity system more secure, modern, and user-friendly. Although the app has already been released, many users are still continuing with the older M Aadhaar application. How to shift from old M Aadhaar app to new Aadhaar app? Migrating to the new app is simple. Step 1. Download the official Aadhaar app from Play Store or App Store. Log in using Aadhaar number plus M Aadhaar PIN or OTP verification. Step 3. Complete one-time face verification or biometric authentication. Create and set a new PIN for future login. UIDAI has clarified that data from the old M Aadhaar app will not transfer automatically. You may need to set up again downloaded Aadhaar PDF, saved QR codes, cached information, user preferences. Key feature of the new Aadhaar app. The new application introduces several upgraded features. QR-based hotel and hospital check-in, faster identity verification, age verification, instant age confirmation, service worker verification, easier identity checks, face authentication, secure and quick login, biometric lock, protect fingerprint and facial data, authentication history, track Aadhaar usage, QR contact sharing, share details instantly, one family, one app, add up to 5 Aadhaar profiles, address and mobile update, update details digitally.